Hello traders, and welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive into the tools that can help you make smarter trading decisions. So today we're going to explore the Chaikin Money Flow Indicator, which is one of the most powerful indicators for assessing buying and selling pressure in the market. So if you're looking to better understand market trends, confirm trend signals, or even spot potential reversals before they happen, then this is a tool you need to know. So stay with me until the end of this video and you will learn exactly how to use the Chaikin Money Flow Indicator to enhance your trading strategy and make more informed decisions. So let's get right into it. So first, what is the Chaikin Money Flow Indicator? The Chaikin Money Flow Indicator, which is CMF for short, is a technical analysis tool used to measure the strength of buying and selling pressure in the market. So it was developed by Mark Chaikin, a well-known stock market analyst, and is based on the concept that price tends to close near their highs during periods of accumulation, which is buying pressure, and near their lows during periods of distribution, which is selling pressure. So the CMF indicator calculates this pressure over a specific period, which is typically 21 days or 20 days. I'm using the 20 days here, and provides a value that oscillates between -1 and +1. As you can see, the CMF, which is this, it's like an oscillator, and it oscillates between -1 and +1. So a positive CMF value suggests that buying pressure is dominant, while a negative value indicates that the selling pressure is stronger, and this makes it easier to gauge whether there is more demand or supply in the market at any given time. So let's hop into the chart. You can see this is a bullish trend. There was a bullish trend right here, and like I said, a positive CMF, a CMF above 0 and between 0 and +1 means that the market is in an uptrend and the buying pressure is dominant and is stronger. This is an uptrend, as you can see. This is an uptrend right here, and you can see also that the CMF is also above 0. Let me just stick this below. You see that the CMF is above 0 right here throughout this bullish trend. CMF is above 0, even heading close to 1, and that is one way you can use the CMF. Let me look for a bearish example. This was a minor bearish trend right here. You can see this bearish trend before we had the breakout to the upside. You can see price here, we are mostly below 0 during this period, which signifies that the selling pressure here is stronger, which is why we were bearish right there. So that is how you can use the CMF indicator. So it's important not to rely solely on these signals. You should always combine CMF with other indicators or chart patterns for confirmation before making any trading decisions. So essentially, CMF helps you identify whether the bulls or bears are in control of the market, giving you an edge when making trading decisions. So by understanding this flow of money, you can better time your entries and exits in trades, especially when combined with other indicators or chart patterns. So let's discuss some trading strategies which you can use the CMF with. So as we've seen on the charts, the Chaikin Money Flow Indicator can be a powerful tool when applied to your trading strategies. It helps you not only identify trends, but also assess their strength and spot potential reversal. So let's look at how you can use the CMF effectively in your trading. Let's look at some trading strategies which you can use the CMF. So the first is identifying trend direction. So we've already discussed that. One of the primary uses of the CMF is to confirm the direction of the market trend. So a positive CMF value suggests an uptrend, while a negative value points to a downtrend. So when the CMF remains consistently, keyword consistently, above zero, it indicates that buying pressure is strong and the market is likely in an uptrend, as we can see right here. Conversely, when the CMF stays below zero, it signals that selling pressure dominates, suggesting a downtrend, which we saw right here. So you can see this example of a bullish trend. This is an example of a bullish trend, right? We were bullish. This is a very wonderful bullish trend right here, and you can see the CMF staying consistently above zero, which indicates that yes, this is a strong bullish trend and we should be looking for buy opportunities. Yeah. So the next strategy is you can use the CMF to spot divergences. So you can use the CMF to spot that divergences between price action and CMF can provide early warning signals of potential reversals. A bullish divergence occurs when prices are making lower lows while CMF makes higher lows, suggesting while prices makes higher lows, and this suggests that selling pressure is weakening and an upward reversal could be near. So let me just look for good examples that are gonna help us explain that. So like I said, a bullish divergence occurs when prices are making lower lows while CMF makes higher lows, suggesting that selling pressure is weakening and an upward reversal could be near. Why a bearish divergence happens when prices are making higher highs but CMF makes lower highs, indicating that buying pressure is fading and a downward reversal may be imminent. So this is a wonderful example. You can see this price making higher highs and higher lows, but you can see the CMF giving us lower lows and lower highs here. You can see that that is a divergence between price action and the CMF, and it signals that there is a bearish divergence around the corner and we should be looking for potential selling opportunities. You can see the breakout of this trend line. This is another way to confirm your trades. It's a breakout and a pullback before we had the push to the downside, and you can see that is how you can use the divergence to trade with the CMF. Let me just look for another example. This is GBP USD, and you can see price giving us higher highs and higher lows, but the CMF is giving us lower highs and lower lows right here, which signals that we may turn bearish very soon and we should be looking for possible selling opportunities to push price lower, because that is a bearish divergence right there. So you can see shortly after that, you can see price giving us that downward movement, the downward continuation, because originally we were bearish. You can see price breaking structure to the downside. You can see. So that is how you can use the bearish divergence and also spotting divergences and using them with the CMF to trade. And also you can use the CMF to time your entries and exits more effectively. A cross above zero could be used as a buy signal, especially if confirmed by other indicators or price patterns. On the other hand, when the CMF crosses below 0, it may indicate a good time to sell or exit long positions. So for example, you can see this. Let me find a good example to explain that. You can see this is a clear example. Price crossing above 0, and you can see right here this area, price crossing above 0. And SMC guys would likely see this as a break, market structure shift, and a pullback to the other block to continue for the uptrend. Or you could use chart patterns. You can see price giving us this morning star candlestick pattern right here. This have a large red candle followed by this green candle in the middle, then a green candle which engulfs both candles right here, and that gives us a confirmation to buy with your stops below. Now you should know that when using the CMF to trade your entries and also your exits, always use confirmations. Do not trade the CMF alone. Don't trade the CMF solely. Always try to confirm your trades with other indicators and chart patterns. So remember that relying solely on CMF for entries and exits can lead to false signals during chopper or sideways markets. So always combine it with other technical tools like moving averages or support and resistance levels or other blocks, or for better accuracy. So alright traders, you've come to the end of the video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.